Welcome to in front of me Xiaomi Pad 5, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Gmail application and then tap here on this icon, and you'll see here that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from this account, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So to do that, we should go here to manage accounts on this device. Click here to Google section, and here you also there's two accounts. Just to log out, for example, from the second account, you should click here once and tap on the more icon, and just to remove account, click here, confirm to remove this account. And as can you see, in Google account settings we stay only with one account. And now we'll go back to the Google to the Gmail application, and we'll check. And as can you see, in Gmail application we stay only also with one account. So that's it. That's how to log out from Gmail application on our Xiaomi Pad 5. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.